Sometimes everything goes according to plan. Somewhere through the construction process, the post or the print or event that resulted in that corner swapped by two inches. Yes, the silicon cooking. But sometimes that's the price you pay for not paying attention. In order to solve the problem, we are going to trim out the window unit with the level with the ceiling tiles covering up the hanger with the net level. This array of simple strips will produce a level ceiling once the swap is installed. It might not look very pretty, but actually is so ugly and beautiful. We'll see how long it takes to do a simple family job. Let me know in the comments below how many amateurs move to the spot. That way I can learn faster, move faster, and become the best amateur I can be. Unlike the real pros over there who are obviously getting things done. Even when I ask for help. Okay, here is hello to take you take me to farm at the rest of the world. I'll take you take me half hour.
We'll bring a case of wine.
I take experience family kind complete small shop like this in 10 minutes or less. So I've given myself about 3 times as long to complete the task. Look like Billy is coming to the rescue once again. Okay, back to measuring. As if I haven't measured enough already. Or maybe not. Yeah, let's put the bell one more time. Stupid.
Want me to put another one in?
Stupid.
You gotta learn.
In case you are wondering, I'm making the living room smaller by building this candy, but tape, sadness and classing for 2 reasons that might not make sense right now, but I will explain anyway. The first reason is to make better use of the space. Since a lot of activity, some of reasons don't take place behind the 2 side doors in the background. The classing will super by the ground floor storage. The second reason is to reduce visual clutter by continuing the wall line from one corner to the other, as if a tank sharp has shine through the building. The last wishes about me will be relocated to the kitchen with the other wishes. The kitchen process started as a link that went on the section long enough to damage the cabinet boxes. This caused mold to build up in the cabinet floor, as well as the actual kitchen floor. In order to replace the affected areas, it seems easier to rip everything out instead of replacing the necessary items with most of the cabinetry and countertops still in place. One thing led to another, and the surrounding rooms became an extension of the kitchen project. It took about 2 years after ripping everything out before any actual construction took place. This was partly due to procrastination and partly due to perfectionism, which drives everybody around me crazy, including myself. So about 15 minutes. It may have taken longer than I wanted, but at least the family is complete. We saved off about $15 in ever. That's it for now. See you in the nothingness.